And them life big. And the people them come to them chat and hype them up. People them feel party come for money. So by weekend now so we can do chat. Anyway, people at cause sometimes when I come here, I have to look so for talk. Yeah, come here and that's only. Anyway, come here. Me only now I get one power tap. You talk, me talk. You talk, you go on, you talk, you go on. You show your disrespect. You diss me diss you back on the up with the pan. You are diss me for kind, me are diss you back up for kind. And we are play a game. Come here, 30 badge. It no work so. You know right, that's in my chat and feel like you can't stay through your bad big. Remember, but I'm a food side of me. Right? The good have to suffer for the bad. And everything want to say Jaden get away with it. Someone will come do it and get away with it. And everything want to say blame them do. Someone will come and get away with it. Right? So now I not run no joke with. Me not run that type of joke with you. Don't run that type of joke with me. When Jaden tell me anything, me know me can't tell about Jaden anything at all in the world. And him don't vex. Sometimes when him sister me I get out of character and like me head chip, he must say, boy, I do making a rose, we can't go on so. We know when me not run no joke. TikTok boss, me I use not the sit, me I use not them type of friend there. Me I use not them type of friend there. Me and you is not them type of friend there. Never will be them type of friend there. Cause certain joke where you try run with me, you not try run with nobody else. And I'm here alone. Alright, for instance, them I was Lauren them I will try to say blame them disrespectful and blame them this and blame them that. And I'm here alone blame them this on TikTok. So we can know say I saw you stay. Remember, you know, we not idiot and we are not fool. Me know how you stay. Happy birthday, baby. When a blame them gonna talk and this blame them with this every and anybody. So we know so I so blame them stay. So we know a person will talk their mind we know. Cause him not do it to me alone, him do it to everybody get it. Him not care who. Jalen will come by here and Jalen will laba to anybody. Run him serious full with anybody. He do himself with any and everybody. No, when you are on certain joke TikTok bars, you only pick out me for try for style. And I got that me get for overstand. When you upload other female, you look them. See the cash up here, humble kid. Humble kid come back with the same cash up story. I'm never black to the because you never said nothing the last time. Let me talk. You understand? When you, Juna, you only try to disrespect me. Me not say you try to run disrespect everybody. Remember say some of them slung and take in. Juna long time I watch them before I start telling about your all your mama. And I saw me you are. Junior long time I still don't watch before I start telling about your mama. Before I reach all kids. Date this. Remember I regular tell me about my one them say so when me I throw back my tantrum, me I go for everybody in the family because me want not tear me down and my family wanna reach and in my house. Say so I give due to Caesar, somebody would have forget it. So me I set sweat, re-attack. And I'm never outside and ring my phone. You understand? Me ain't not them type of friend there. When people start run joke with and tell you your face red and this and that, you start opening your feelings and you start going. But you want to sit down and run any amount of joke with people. But then people start run back, people start tell about certain things, you start opening your feelings. Everybody, baby. Come now, run not choke. Remember them started by me not forever be a bigger person. I'm big already. I'm big in a body, so I cannot be the bigger person. Right? I notice so come on live and I'll blame them try for this year. Cause he's a joker like myself. When blame them this year, when Jaden this year, how you want Nicki Minaj gift, don't it? But that when I try to live civilized with you, you want to try for this me. Me always start at respect first. Cause when they diss me and make me feel some type of way, me go in on the matrix and we're gonna freeload it. You understand? Alright. You come for me live this Sunday. Really? Cause I still gonna watch you for months, you know. And now so don't tell me out. I still gonna watch you for months and now so don't tell me out. You understand? I'm still gonna watch for months and now so don't tell me blood clot mode. Walk in ATM for the subscription. Thank you, baby. Alright. Remember, you know, people. Remember, you know, people. Man, the panel live.
Rosealee. Want to play game? Rosealee. 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 Merci. Thank you so much.
Remember, you know, people. Me and the panel live, and I play the match. Earlier on, him give me a 6, but I realize that each time when you come on TikTok, I look at views take some amount not on menke. Who in this jurisdiction, which commenters could have put me in a problem with people? No comment can put me in a problem with people. Not even the one we are sent through a big gift. Not even the people that we are throw a big gift. If you are shoot down a person, if you don't like the person, you shoot them down. And you type, me not repeat it. No commenters can mix me up in a TikTok and make them over there, make them egg you. I want them, notice I want them type and TikTok someone to read, you know. I want to get right with people. No! You pass your place, Ramot boy. I'ma size you up. Remember me on a friend. You pass your place, I'ma size you up. Alright? Cool. You reach pan Jeffrey's interview with my name. You reach pan Jeffrey's interview with my name. And then your big foot mama come and send your voice note and you have the other stuff you play pan live. No, Junior, me don't want to look like your mother. Your mother could have been 20, 40, 60, 80 whole heap. I'm going to show you a picture, make you show me look. Show a poverty picture. Make sure show a picture of your mama when she in a poverty. You see me over here, babe. When gifters normally come per live, we not have to beg them. Them shoot if them have it. Some people, some of them come with kind. Some of them come with kind and when they done, they go recharge more, depends on the match. And some of them just recharge and so if it's a chat bigger, some of them go recharge and put gift. Dolly Body, Nicki Minaj say me whole heap of lion already. Me and not, but me and him not in a lion story. Nicki Minaj say me lion. Me have gifters who say me lion. Yes, a whole heap of time. Me the first time me around the amount of lion. When Ruth tell for send instantly the amount of lion she send come in, me think I she the open the zoo. See me here? Because I'm shocked. Me have whole heap of gifters who send me lion. And a lion and the problem, you know. Uno bad mind me I want be me. Sweet to the bone water worse. Me have whole heap of gifters. Uno bad mind me I want be me. Because I never look for you so to say, all the people them still a give you. City D, vibes and all of them boom boom over here. Me never look for you and tell us why people stop give you. What do you mean by bad mind? For what? 3 lion? If when 30 send word dog with 20 lion, me never bad mind word dog. Why me not bad mind you with 3? You never hear him say him not see bad mind, but me I show you it. I only a bad mind person, no a bad minded person. Cause some man think it's so easy. Because if you know me hate some of them with fire. If you are play a match and you get more gift more than me. I see my reaction. Oh, my reaction for be the gift them what you get. My reaction for be to my chat when I put nothing. If me and you, if me, say for instance, me and Triple up a match. I will give a throw over there. For bad mind I force you get. That makes sense? If you see my face make about my chat, warm tell people when my song I look on yourself. Nobody now put nothing so a sense it make. Me will still and play 30-40 game, me no must win. But long as if I put me satisfied with it and settle. I beg, me not gonna way I work. I beg. And if the people not have a show, I say, alright then later can about that no day some show nothing. That's why when they say I have no smoke. When they tell somebody say, you know, say when I go past somebody's life and them tell me say I have no smoke, they say that bad for show nothing. So all bad mind dropping I don't want to be me so bad. You see me come here and change my voice, Junior, for try to be funny. For you look for me, you say funny. I never come here one day yet and try to change my voice. I act like me's a lunatic to be funny. Baby, who me is a motherfucking Rosealee. And Nicki Minaj, you big girl liar. On a big man on the streets, on a bad boy. And pan TikTok gonna look like pussy whip. Pan TikTok gonna look like crutches in your man, back you. Pan TikTok gonna look like crutches in your man and back you all lick out. For one line and $100 you get. If Nicki Minaj come on line and want to give anybody, she give her shit, please. None of we can do our money. We don't even stoop to no level for nothing. And I share alone over your gift. And that me I try to make it no rich boy. And that's that me I try to put in a numbskull brain and have to clown out yourself. And if you have to do that.